Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a QR code in for Microsoft Publisher. So in Microsoft Publisher you don't have built-in QR code generator to add a QR code. You must generate one using an external tool or a different Microsoft app. So the easiest way is to use Microsoft Edge browser. So open up the Microsoft Edge browser like that and navigate to the web page you want to link. So let's go and do that like Google, the easiest way, like that. Now right click on it where the blank area is. So right somewhere right here, right click, and you will see here create QR code for this page and click on that. And as you can see right here, it will show you this window with QR code. Now just hit download. Uh, it will save as a PNG image. Okay, download. Okay, like so. Now we go back to the publisher. So I will open up a blank document. Now I will go to the insert images, to the downloads like that, and I will insert basically QR code which we created in a moment before. So, and yeah, this is how you can create a QR code and add into Microsoft Publisher. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.